Hello guys, it's me Ella. Guys, nakuani diba water, na pimple, scoop makeup, and pulbos. Let's start it. I'm excited. First, kuhaan nato ni guys. Kani. Yun guys, sa kuhaan dahil ko.
That's a legitimate offer, yeah. That's not a legitimate offer.
Okay.
You're just using your
It's a trash.
to buy something for below its market value.
Okay.
Because the way
Let's
market
start
value is
it.
determined is
First,
price. You don't like the price.
clean the face, water. Yeah.
I'll find a look for you, 3,500. And I'll take cash. We're not gonna make a deal.
Scoop of water and this. Scoop of water and this. And clean. Guys, wala na dahil ang dirt. Wala na dahil ang dirt, guys. Dahil next, my favorite part. Pimples cover. Yeah, let's go out.
I'd like to get 13,000 for this.
Let's this. Kuhaan na to ni.
How come? I'd like to get the money and get out of it. Right now, if you have to hold me to an offer, I'm gonna offer you $4,000. Stafford.
It's so tiny.
My guy might come in.
And the people.
That's fair.
The pimple.
Let me give him a call. I'll be right back. All right. I don't really know that much about
Cover the pimple. Cover the pimple. And another one pimple. Have two pimples. I have two pimples cover.
The oldest continuously playing team in American professional sports.
Ah.
Over the years, though, they had a lot of ups and downs. Finally, in
This.
the 90s, they found new life with a great
Wait,
lineup
guys.
in the 95 World Series. It was a great contest. One hand you got the
And look. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, kuan. Let's take it off now. Let's take it off. Look, it's gone. It's gone now. A pimple. Is put it back here. And put it back here. And guys, this scoop makeup. Let's scoop it out. Let's scoop it. The dirt. Let's scoop the dirt. Okay, it's a trash. Okay, guys, it's a trash now. I put it away. And let's put it back. Let's put it back. And this pulbos. Yeah, it's a powder. It's a powder. Pulbos. Let's pulbos.
You can buy some players.
Done. And the wound is hurt. Let's clap, guys. Let's clap this. A wound. Let's clap a wound and go away a wound. Let's clap. 1, 2, 3. Clap. It's the wound. The wound is go away. The wound is go away now. It's go away now. The wound. Your hurt. Go away your hurt. Yay! Clap! Yeah. Guys, abutang matuwa na ni guys. Hey, let's this. And pimples. 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 And guys, it's beautiful now. It's beautiful. It's beautiful again. Yay! Okay guys, bye-bye guys. Subscribe my channel. And like please. Thank you. Bye.